So the question was, how can I create an auto-populating roster, essentially? And you've got a lot of different sort of resources that are mentioned. You've got casual, full-time, and part-time workers based on the resource requirements and constraints. For example, red team, if that person can't work at all, and people who can only work in the mornings, and people who can only work at night. And then you've got staff that can work for full days. So I think the best way to look at this project is to look at part of it as a scheduling exercise and part of it as a roster, because the roster is kind of the published version that you would show to the staff. Maybe you print it off on the wall or you send it out. I'm really interested in analytics, so I took it the next step further and looked at types of resource and cost, because sometimes with complex scheduling activities you can do better to have a few people rostered on as casual or part-time, and sometimes you can do better when you have full-time staff and then only bring in extra resources as required.